Good morning.
Good morning. Well, today we've got a suspension bridge. Basic parts of it are just the deck, the main cable, the suspenders, and then the cross beams we use.
Okay, so those two C-clamps are they're live load, right?
Correct.
What's live load mean?
Live load for like an actual bridge is kind of like temporary weight. It's stuff like people, cars, trucks, stuff that moves around.
And dead load?
Dead load is the stuff permanently attached to the bridge. So like the main deck, the cross beams, and the J-bolts we have here, other hardware.
Okay, so that's 6.5 pounds for dead load.
Correct.
Now for live load, you've got those two C-clamps.
Yep.
So what holds up the deck?
The deck is held up by these suspenders. We have 8 of them.
Let me get a close-up of that. So that's just 1/4 inch string.
Yep.
So what holds up the suspenders?
The suspenders are held up by the main cable, 2 main cables.
Okay.
And those main cables run up over the top of the towers. There's 2 of them.
Good.
And then go straight down into the anchorage.
The anchorage is something nice and heavy.
Yep.
Okay. So we've got a live load of just a couple of pounds, those clamps.
Yep, not too much, but enough.
So we're going to put on another 5 pounds or so. What could happen to the anchorage?
Well, let's put on the load and take a look.
All right, hold it. Let me get ready at the anchorage.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, the anchorage moved because the added weight pulls on the main cable, which pulls on the anchorage.
Yep, pulls it closer.
So either we need more weight on the anchorage, well, that's the only option we have. Okay. Now the suspenders are connected to the main cable with those cable clamps.
Yep, and I have one right here.
So I'll take it apart.
All it is just a U-bolt and what's called the saddle. And it's held together by 2 bolts.
2 nuts.
Or 2 nuts, sorry.
Right. Let's see. Okay, so just put them on the deck so we can. I'll do a close up there.
There should be 2 of these, but I dropped one.
That's all right.